So I talked about it in my last video. Growing in DWC, things can change very quickly. I got a major problem happening and I'm trying to figure out what's going on. We'll get to that in a second. First, a shout out to the sponsors of the video. Mars Hydro. From seed to harvest, Mars Hydro has you covered. Use promo code TAPROOTSGROWING at checkout and save some money off your order. And Seedsman. With genetics from all over the world, they have something for everyone. Use promo code TRG10 and save yourself some money off your order. Alright, let's get into the problem with the DWC. Alright, under the VG80, Hague Nights day 29 of flower. And as you can see, we got a serious problem going on. Not looking well at all. They're super droopy. They got all these markings on the leaves, and it's all over the plant. It's not just in one spot. It's not just new growth, and it's not just old growth. So, the boys and I in the Discord have been trying to figure out what's going on. And from the chart that we're looking at, we're kind of thinking that it's a potassium issue. So as you can see on the chart, it's showing the same markings as this leaf here. You can see the markings on the edges of the leaf. And on the chart, it's showing the exact same thing. And so that's why I'm thinking it's a potassium issue. Start trying to correct things. We're going to change the water. I'm going to reduce the nutrient feed a little bit. And we're going to see how they respond to that. Even the smell in the tent's just not right. It smells like wet hay. It doesn't even smell like regular plants anymore. But like I said, it happens fast in DWC. This is all from just a few days. And it's unbelievable how fast it happened. Alright, that's it for this tent. Let's go check out the 2x2 and the 4x4, and we'll see how those plants are doing. Under the TS1000, Alaskan Do-si-do, day 57. And she's starting to get a little tall. So as you can see, I did a little bit of LST on the plants. I put some clips on the branches, and I topped the top of the plant. And I did that on my last live. I've started doing live streams on Sundays at 6 p.m. Eastern. And yeah, if you guys would like to join us, you know, we just chill out. I show you the gardens sometimes, updates on the gardens. A couple weeks ago I rebuilt my trellis net. And like this past one, I just did the LST on the plant. So we chill out, we smoke one, and we just kind of chill out. And then afterwards we get into my Discord and we have a smoke sesh there. So if you're interested in joining us, come on in and join the Discord. Everybody's more than welcome. Alright, let's check out the 4x4 under the FCE 3000. Critical Purple Kush day 57. And she's looking pretty good now. A couple of days ago she was looking a little droopy. I was a little worried. But she's bounced back. She's starting to look good. She's got good color. I think she's going to work really well under the trellis net. As you can get in here and start seeing how they're starting to grow and spread out a bit. And once they start hitting the net, then we can start spreading them out. I think she's going to work well. We're almost at the net. She's almost there. I think I'm going to clean her up a bit this week. She's getting a little bushy. I'll just defoliate the leaves. We'll get this cleaned up and we'll get the light into the lower canopy. And as I talk about it reaching the net, that leaf's starting to poke through. So we're almost there. I'm getting excited for her to reach the net so that we can really start working on her. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Have yourselves a great day. Until next time, peace.